Alrighty, so I want to go over something that we aren't using currently on your site, but that might help organize content in the future, and that is grids. So I've created an example. I copied your intercessors page and used some grids on there to show you what that could look like. So if you go to this grid example page, I've got it here. Okay, so if you see here, we've got text taking up the left half of the page and an image taking up the right half. And then if you scroll all the way to the bottom, oh, not this one, sorry. If you scroll lower, I showed you what it looks like to use the grids in thirds. So there's 3 columns here. So grids are a way to organize content into columns, which can sometimes just help visually when you've got a lot of content. Or if you just want to, throw an image on the left and have text on the right, you can really play with grids and help make your content a little more visually appealing. So I'll show you how we do grids. You just click into the back end, click on this basic guidelines grid example page if you want to follow along. So here, basically, you highlight any content that you want to use for one section of that grid. So right here, I've got 2 sections. Let's pretend like I wanted to put this into a grid as well. You're going to click this icon right here, responsive grid configuration. Click that, and then this comes up. And if you want to do half-half, you would slide this square all the way to that 1/2 tab. You want to make tablet and mobile always 100, just because otherwise it'll be too small to read on those devices. And then click update. So now a similar thing happens to this section here, because it takes up half, just like this section does above it. Now if I wanted to add an image like I did above, to take up the right hand half, you would go ahead and add your media. Let's say I wanted to add this image. Okay, and then you click the image, click that grid again, and then just say, again, you want it to take up half. And it'll automatically appear up here on the right side because you've already indicated that you want something to take up that left-hand side. Okay, so let's say you want to see what it would look like to do these columns of 3. It's exactly the same process. You just go, I'll show you what I did here. So you can click into the grid that already exists to see what setting it is. So you can click that, and look, it's just at 33. So that's how each of these is configured. So again, I could turn this into 33, that new grid that I just created. Click that, click this grid, turn this one to 33. And then I could even go ahead and make this text here that 1/3. And by doing that, it makes it so that every grid area you assign is just going to automatically populate if it can squeeze in. So when you do 33, 33, 33, it adds up to 100 and works out.